do you take a pick? How do you know when? And how do you know when to pull out, more importantly?
Ma'am, I can't describe, one thing I feel the most important thing to succeed in the stock market is your attitude towards the market. 2, 3 things. I think first thing is you must realize that the market is supreme, ultimately. But in the mid-set markets, do excesses. You must recognize those excesses, right? And you benefit from the excesses. In the stock market, something worth 5 sometimes sells for 50, right? And you must have an attitude that with time, everything changes and passes. See, most of us are affected by the stock market, what has happened in the immediate future, in the immediate past. So, we cannot really illustrate. We have to treat each situation separately. But one thing I can tell you, the most interesting part about investing is, just I talked to somebody in the hotel here that we were discussing the hotel industry. We invest in a hotel industry, we invest in a bank, we invest in a consumer electronics company, we invest in a consumer marketing company, I have investment in Titan, we have investments in so many different aspects. I have invested in Prime Focus, if you've heard of it, I don't know.
Yeah, of course I know.
So I'm one of the earliest promoters actually.
Really? They've worked on a lot of my movies.
So, the most interesting aspect of investing is the kind of mental and intelligence you have to use, mental power, and it requires the use of all senses, just as the Kama Sutra says.